Connect the machine to the computer. When engraving thin items, please use a higher level to prevent the laser from hitting the fixture. Software clicks the Home button. When engraving, decide whether to clamp it or not based on the specific items you are engraving. You can engrave normally without clamping. Software clicks the Z-axis focus button. The software enters the Edit page. Load images. Select white to adjust laser power and speed. Click Save. Open Preview Laser. Click to preview and observe whether the engraving area extends beyond the outside world. Pause Preview. Return to the Edit interface to adjust the picture. Click Save. Click to preview. The preview position is in the middle. Pause Preview. Click on the software to start engraving. Please cover the carvings with a lid. The lid can isolate the smell of carvings, protect your eyes, and facilitate observation. Engraving completed.